In today's video, I'll show you how to add a dependency between two tasks in Asana. Dependencies let you tell Asana that one task can't start until another one is finished, which is perfect for keeping your team from getting ahead of themselves on work that has a clear order. It's how you turn a flat list of tasks into a real sequenced plan. Let's jump in. To begin, I'll open the task that has to wait on something else. I've got one here called Review Q3 Vendor Quotes, so I'll click to open it up. Right in the task details, you'll spot a Dependencies row. I'll click Add Dependencies to get started. Notice that Asana defaults to blocked by, which is exactly what I want here. This tells Asana that my current task is blocked by, and therefore has to wait for, another task to be completed first. If I needed the opposite, I could flip the direction, but blocked by is perfect for this. Now I'll just type the name of the task this one depends on. I'm searching for Task 2, and there it is in the results. I'll click to select it, and just like that, the link is made. My Review Q3 Vendor Quotes task is now officially blocked by Task 2. Asana will keep an eye on this relationship for me and even nudge me if I try to start this work before the task it depends on is done. This little feature is a lifesaver on bigger projects because it stops important steps from happening out of order. To recap, open your task, find the Dependencies row, click Add Dependencies, make sure the direction says Blocked By, then search for and select the task you're waiting on. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.